Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Toyota 86 headlights. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. It's also a good idea to wear gloves to keep your hands clean and prevent any oils from transferring to the headlight components during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient removal. Next, we'll start detaching the front bumper. Begin by removing the plastic clips and any 10mm bolts found along the top edge of the bumper. Then, move to the wheel wells. You'll need to unfasten clips and screws that secure the wheel well liners. Once these are loose, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender. This action reveals additional hidden bolts that secure the headlight assembly. Now, let's focus on unfastening the headlight itself. You'll find several 10mm bolts that secure the headlight assembly to the vehicle's frame. Remove these. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors from the back of the headlight unit. These usually have a release tab you need to depress. Finally, check for any additional retaining clips or tabs and gently release them to free the headlight. With all fasteners and connectors removed, you can now gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from its housing. Take your time and ensure no wires are still attached or snagged. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Toyota 86 headlight removal process much easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful car maintenance tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.